The more obviously you pursue the A person, the more likely you are to chase them away.
Audiebleart.
The enduring power of seduction. Seduction, an ancient art that has shaped history, broken hearts, and altered destinies. It's not just a game of love, it's power, influence, and control hidden in a beguiling smile, a captivating glance, and sweet words whispered in the dark. Seduction is an invisible force, often underestimated, but capable of toppling kingdoms, building empires, and controlling the very essence of human nature. In our increasingly complex world, where technology and communication blur the lines between reality and fantasy, the art of seduction becomes more relevant than ever. Whether you realize it or not, you are constantly in the midst of a seductive game, either as the seducer or the seduced. This book is not just a guide to winning someone's heart. It's a manual for understanding the subtle dynamics of power that drive human behavior. By mastering this art, you will gain the key to human desire and unlock doors to influence greater than you ever imagined. Part 1. The seductive character, the siren, seducing with sensuality. The sirens of Greek mythology were known for their voices so enchanting that they lured sailors to their doom. In this chapter, we explore how the siren uses sensuality to create an irresistible allure. By manipulating perception, they utilize body language, tone of voice, and physical beauty to stimulate the target's imagination. The siren draws people in with a magnetic charm, making them want more even as they sense the danger. The chapter delves into historical and contemporary examples of individuals who embodied this archetype, demonstrating how anyone can harness the power of sensuality to captivate and control. The Rake, obsessed with love. The Rake is the character who lives and breathes for passion. They are relentless in their pursuit of pleasure, making their targets feel like they are the center of a fervent, all-consuming love. This chapter explores how the Rake's obsession can become a powerful weapon of seduction, making their targets feel desired and valued in ways they've never experienced. By showing a complete disregard for conventional rules and norms, the Rake creates an atmosphere of excitement and adventure, drawing others into a world where every moment is charged with intensity. The ideal lover, crafting fantasies. The ideal lover is the person who becomes exactly what the target desires. They are a master at reading their target's deepest fantasies and embodying those desires with perfection. This chapter examines how the ideal lover uses empathy, attention to detail, and an understanding of human psychology to create the illusion of the perfect partner. Through historical anecdotes and modern examples, we see how this character can transform a mere attraction into an all-encompassing obsession. The dandy, the allure of mystery. The dandy charms through their independence and disregard for societal norms. They are unpredictable, unrestrained, and enigmatic, drawing others to them like moths to a flame. This chapter explores how the dandy creates attraction through mystery and how their refusal to conform makes them fascinating to others. By embracing ambiguity and maintaining an air of detachment, the dandy leaves people longing to uncover their true nature, which in turn deepens the seductive pull. The coquette, playing the game of push and pull. The coquette seduces by creating a sense of anticipation and uncertainty. They give attention and then withdraw it, keeping their target in a constant state of suspense. This chapter delves into the psychology behind the coquette's game, showing how their tactics can create an addictive longing in their target. The back and forth dance of availability and aloofness is dissected through examples from literature, history, and modern life, revealing how this character keeps their target hooked and yearning for more. The charismatic, attracting with confidence. Charismatic individuals captivate others with their energy, vision, and inner strength. This chapter examines how the charismatic seduces by radiating confidence and certainty, drawing people in with their magnetic presence. Whether through speeches, personal interactions, or public personas, the charismatic creates an aura that others find irresistible. The chapter discusses how charisma can be developed and used as a powerful tool of influence and attraction. Part 2. The seductive process. Choose the right victim. The foundation of successful seduction lies in selecting the right target. This chapter provides insights into how to identify those who are most susceptible to your charms. It delves into understanding psychological vulnerabilities, unmet desires, and the personal circumstances that make someone particularly open to being seduced. With the right victim, the chances of successful seduction increase dramatically. Create a false sense of security. Seduction requires making the target feel comfortable and unsuspecting. This chapter discusses techniques to lower the defenses of the target, making them feel safe and in control, while in reality, they are being gently manipulated. Through subtle gestures, kind words, and apparent openness, a false sense of security is created, which becomes the fertile ground for deeper seduction. Send mixed signals. Confusion can be a powerful tool in seduction. By sending mixed signals, the seducer creates an environment of uncertainty and curiosity. This chapter explains how to use ambiguity to keep the target off balance, deepening their interest and attachment. The art of sending mixed signals is illustrated through examples of how mystery and unpredictability can make the seducer seem more intriguing and desirable. Appear to be an object of desire. This chapter explores the strategy of making oneself appear desirable by creating the illusion that others are vying for your attention. By appearing to be in high demand, the seducer can increase their value in the eyes of the target. The chapter discusses the psychology behind social proof and how it can be leveraged to enhance one's attractiveness. Confuse desire and reality. The ultimate goal of seduction is to blur the line between fantasy and reality in the mind of the target. This chapter focuses on how to intertwine the target's deepest desires with the reality you present, creating a powerful connection that feels like fate. By mixing illusion with reality, the seducer can lead their target into a state of emotional dependency and heightened attraction. Conclusion: the seducer's world. In the final chapter, we summarize the principles of seduction and reflect on how this art form can be applied not just in romantic relationships, but in every aspect of life, whether in career, friendships, or the pursuit of power. The world is full of opportunities for seduction, and by mastering the techniques outlined in this book, you can become a true connoisseur of human desire. Epilogue: the end of the affair. After the game of seduction has reached its peak, what comes next? This epilogue discusses the potential pitfalls of post-seduction relationships and how to navigate the complex emotions that may arise. The seducer must manage the aftermath carefully, balancing the desire for continued influence with the need to maintain the target's emotional well-being. The chapter concludes with a reflection on the ethical considerations of seduction and the responsibility that comes with wielding such power. Mastering the art of seduction. Having delved into the intricacies of seduction, we understand that it's not merely a game of hearts, but a profound and powerful art. From the magnetic siren to the enigmatic dandy, each archetype offers keys to the complex dynamics of human influence. By mastering these techniques, you can wield influence not only in your relationships, but in every aspect of your life. Now that you've gained insights that can transform your interactions and perspectives, don't let this knowledge end here. Join us on our YouTube channel for more in-depth insights, captivating techniques, and strategies to revolutionize how you engage with the world. Be sure to like and share this video if you found it valuable and engaging. Every click and share helps us continue delivering high-quality content that you love. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest videos packed with knowledge and inspiration.